Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Yeah!
I'm going to show you
An ice melt test. I want to show you or find out for myself. Now one here is called Safe Step Dual Blend 4300. And it's an ice melter with enhanced with magnesium chloride. It says up here that it's good to melts to -7 degrees Fahrenheit by Safe Step. And over here, the competitor is the Halite Plus TCP Premium. Melts ice and snow to -10 degrees Fahrenheit. So it contains a premium blend with calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, and potassium chloride added. So yeah, I'm going to do a side-by-side test and see which one performs the best. Okay. I'm just outside the garage door here. I've got a bucket. And this isn't my smallest bucket. This one here is my smallest bucket. And this is the one I used for the Ice Bucket Challenge here a couple of years ago. Yes, sir. So, thought I'd show you that. Anyway, I'm going to put one bucket across here and one bucket of the other across here. And we'll check on it periodically to see how it's doing. Those are some big chunks there. Okay. This one, sit right here in the snow. Sprinkle this. I have quite a bit left, so I'm going to go spread that in the, see here. Okay, that was only gone about 60 seconds or so, a minute maybe. So I'll bring it back here. This has a little head start, but I don't think that minute will hurt us any. Now these chunks are small. And I'll let you have a little bit of a look-see at that if it shows you anything at all. Okay, here we go. I'll spread this. I like the smaller chunks better, so okay, there's about what I got left. You can see. I'm going to go spread it somewhere else. Okay, well, it's been about 10 minutes. So I thought I'd give another quick look. We'll come back and check on it later. Alrighty, well, it's been about 15 minutes this time. Let's see what we got here. Well, looks like the one on the left, the bigger chunks. Well, the one on the right's doing pretty good too, so we'll just kind of wait and see. Now, if you look between the bags, I put a thermometer because I tried to see what the local temperature was, and we don't have internet connection due to the ice storm. So it is 10 degrees outside. Okay, I have some of this Hain sea salt, iodized sea salt. And I thought, well, I'll go ahead and see how just plain salt works, and I'll do it over here. I have a walkway that has stepping stones that go alongside the garage here. I'll get some of this on here. With my little bucket. Yeah. See how the salt does. Been about an hour, a little over an hour. Yeah, looky there. I'd say they both work pretty darn good. We'll let it go longer and see what happens here if the larger granules have longer staying power to continue working. So, alright, thanks for watching. Well, it's been a couple hours. Looks like things are getting broke up good. Well, I think they both performed equally as well. Neither one I don't think was that much better. Okay, well, I took the shovel to it, and the halite, snow and ice seemed to be a little cleaner than the Safe Step. I paid $5 for that. I just got it, but this one I had from last year, and I don't remember what I paid for it. So anyway, either one I think works just fine. The sea salt that I spread out here, you can see I ended up going down and spreading that on the stepping stones. That was after I shoveled. So you can see the stepping stones are starting to melt. So just plain salt works pretty good too. For it being 10 degrees out. So I'm working on it out here. And I got all this looking good. Okay, here's another look. I think they both performed equally as well. You be the judge. If I had to choose, I would pick the smaller granules because they dissolved more and were easier to clean up. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya!